I know you're probably in bed. This is later than I thought, but I've been trying to figure out all day. Did the Lions win? I don't know. But anyways, you can watch it on Monday. This is Wednesday. Life is good. Hey, 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 hey. Wasn't going to make a video, but since this is probably really could be our last big test of the quarter, I thought maybe I should. It's on proportions, ratios. Now, I only put one ratio problem on this, so probably be a couple more. So you might want to review that worksheet, percents and inequalities. So let's start off. Do the solving problem and write down the ratio problem. And this just says if a school, so you don't have to worry about that. It's a little bit cut off. I knew, but if a school, blah, 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 blah. So do those three and then turn me off. Then do them. Then turn me back on. Here we go. So cross multiply, oh, this should be free points. Oh my goodness, Mr. Murphy. This is so free. So subtract 4x, add 18. Now they say you should do these problems in different accents to keep you interested. So I'm going to do it. This is going to be my French. So right now, you still cross multiply, the answer is 7. So cross multiply, this would be 8x plus a 4. Then we distribute the 3, so it's 3 times 2, distribute the 6. So don't do it to both. That's the mistake most people make. So it's 3 times 2 is 6, distribute the 6. Now subtract 6x, subtract 4, and then divide by 2, x equals negative 5. Wow, we're cranking. Now the ratio of boys and girls. See, that's sort of how I can tell this is a ratio problem. It's got the word ratio. So the ratio of boys to girls is 4 to 3. If a school had 770 students, so 4x plus 3x, to find the magic number that you multiply to both, 770. So 7x equals 770. So x equals 110. Now, so there's 4 times 110 is 440 boys, which is not asked for, just did it. 3 times 110 is 330 number of girls. Okay, next problem. Now, how do I know it's a proportion? Because it's 3 out of 4, 3 out of amount. Now, let me write 3 out of 4 smart people love donuts. 3 of the 4 smart people. If 900 people, well, I kind of messed that up, didn't I? If 900 smart people, so let's cross this out. Yeah. Love donuts. How many smart people are there? So 3 out of 4 of the smart people love donuts. So, okay, so 3 smart people out of the 4 total number of smart people love donuts. 900 smart people love donuts. The love donuts is on top. So the total number of smart people is on the bottom. Cross multiply, 3600 equals 3x. Okay, divide by 3, so it's 1200. So there's 1200 smart people in the group. Now we got some percents. This one's off, so let me, well, write these two down real quick. It just says percent, so you don't even need to do that. 8 is what percent of 12? So go ahead and do them. So 8 over 12 is x over 100. So 8x equals 1200. Now again, I don't have my calculator. I need to buy a cheap one. Divide by 8, that would be 1, was it 150, I think. Ew. No, that's not right. Is that right? No. No, I messed up. What did I mess up? 8 is what percent of 12? Uh-oh. Yeah, just erase everything I just said. Oops. 12x equals 800. I'm sorry. I looked at it wrong. Oh, I feel so embarrassed. I did that on purpose to show you that math, you have to work at it. You work hard, struggle, you may make mistakes. Then you divide both sides by 12, whatever that is. That is. Let's see. Okay, here, what is 15%? So this one you could just multiply, move this to a decimal, multiply by 600. Let's see, 10% is 60, half that is 30, so that would be 90. Then 6 is 40%. So cross multiply 600 equals 40x, and then divide by 40. So there you go. Sorry I messed up. I almost feel bad. Actually, this one's 15%, I do believe. Because 40, if you go once, 10 is 400, 200 would be 5, so that'd be 15. Hey, hey, hey. Page D. Okay, I want 20 people to come to my math party. That says party, by the way. 24 people showed up. What percent came? So go ahead. 24 is the part. 20 is the whole. Because I wanted 20, so this is out of the 20. So this is going to be over 100%. So it's 20x equals 2400. So divide by 20. So zeros cross out. That'd be 120. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. So anyways, now these top three, here I'm going to freeze it there and then move it. Okay. These top three, you got to get those down. There's 6 of them. I only put 3 here. But if x is greater than 6 or x is greater than 10, greater than 10 is already greater than 6 if it's an or, so the answer is greater than 6. Here, and less than 6 is going this way, greater than 10 is way over here, so there's nothing in common, so it's a blank number line, no reals. And this one, or if it's less than 10, it's going this way. Greater than 6 is going this way, so everything is covered by shading, so the answer is all reals. Okay, last two problems, inequalities. I might have an and or, I haven't decided. We'll see. But here you break it up into 2 parts. I don't know why some of you don't believe me. And then take the opposite. Yoo-hoo. Kind of got yerp. And then this is greater than, so it's or. It must put the word or I'll take a point off. Some of you didn't believe me about that either. So here we go. So x is greater than 7. Here add 6. Divide by negative 2. So it's or, so it's less than negative 13. Let's bring that up. Jowza. Greater than 7. Now, for the next one, I don't know why people don't believe me. Get the absolute value by... What that, Trixie? Yes. Get it by itself. That's what he's saying. Get the absolute value by itself. Yes, Trixie. By itself. Please. So subtract 6 from both sides. We'd have negative 2. Absolute value of x minus 3 is greater than or equal to negative 18. Then divide by negative 2. Get it by itself. Now notice since we divided by a negative, you switch the inequality. So to solve it, x minus 3 is less than or equal to 9. The opposite, and since we switch the sign, this is less than, so it's an and. So x is less than or equal to 12. Here, subtract 3, so negative x is less than or equal to 6. Opposite. So it's everything between negative 6 and 12. Doink. That's solid dots. Or if you wanted to, doinker, doinker, doinker. Doinker, doinker, doinker. Shader up. So very quick one today. Very quick. Did the Lions win? I still don't know. But anyways, have a good time. Because it looked like to me he was over the line. It looked like he like fell. And here's the goal line. And he like fell. And he was like right there. So did they win? Well, anyways, have a good day. I'll see you. Say goodbye, Trixie. Goodbye, Trixie. Bye-bye.